Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of showing you ways to make money online. Today, I want to show you a new website where you can start earning money in just a few minutes. On this channel, we showcase the best ways to make some extra money online, and you can use lots of our methods at the same time to maximize your earnings and build a fantastic online income. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these new methods we upload. We upload on a regular basis. You don't want to miss any of this. Okay, I want you to head over to iRazoo.com. This website has paid out over $160 million in cash. Brands pay them for consumer input, and then they recruit members like you to do activities. You can earn real cash by completing these activities. So how does it all work? It starts by you joining iRazoo, and you can start earning points by completing tasks. Don't worry, we have verified this website and we know they have a great track record for payments and opportunities presented to their users. When you earn enough points, you can exchange them for real cash payments paid directly into your PayPal account. You can see their fantastic reviews by users near the bottom of the page. And they also have a great review score on Trustpilot, so you know they're legit. Okay, so I want you to click on Join so you can start earning fast. All you have to do is enter the required information and you can start receiving opportunities on your dashboard and start making money right away. Now, if you watch our other videos, you'll find many legitimate sites just like this. Used in combination with this method, you can maximize your earnings and start making some serious money online. So make sure you check them out and subscribe so you don't miss any of our regular uploads. Until next time, aim high.